learned how to say breakfast. We learned how to say lunch. Today, we're going to be learning how to say, yes, in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have AXŞAM YEMƏYİ. AXŞAM YEMƏYİ. AXŞAM YEMƏYİ, you got it. It's a dinner in the US or supper in the UK. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences. To cook dinner, again, light dinner or late supper. Let's see. Akşam yemeği bişirmek. Bişirmek, literally to cook. Yüngül akşam yemeği. Light dinner, yüngül, literally light. Gec akşam yemeği or gecikmiş means the one that was late. Akşam yemeği, you got that. Supper, dinner. Okay? Sentences. Əvvəlcə bazardan təzə tərəvəz aldım. Sonra ailəm üçün axşam yeməyi bişirmək üçün reseptə baxıb sakitcə mətbəxdə işlədim. Another long sentence, let's break it down. First, I bought fresh vegetables from the market. From the market, bazardan. Market, bazar, or you can say bazaar. Bazardan, from the market. Əvvəlcə, first, or first of all, you can start. Təzə tərəvəz aldım. I bought fresh vegetables. Təzə, fresh, tərəvəz, vegetables. Aldım, I bought. Sonra, then, ailə üçün, for family. Axşam yeməyi bişirmək üçün, to cook dinner. Remember, we learned akşam yemeği bişirmek as phrases. Here's what we're using it here. Akşam yemeği bişirmek için, to cook dinner. Reseptə baxıb, recept is a loan word. Check the recipe, basically, checking the recipe. Sakitcə, there's your word, quietly. Mətbəxdə, in the kitchen. İşlədim, I worked. Bring it all together. Əvvəlcə bazardan təzə tərəvəz aldım. First I bought fresh vegetables from the market. Sonra ailə üçün, axşam yeməyi bişirmək üçün. Then, to cook dinner for my family. Reseptə baxıb, I quietly checked basically recipe. Sakitcə mətbəxdə işlədim. And I quietly worked in the kitchen. Another one. Məşqdən sonra ağır yemək istəmədiyimə görə qatıq və salatdan ibarət yüngül axşam yeməyi hazırlayıb balkonda sərin havada yedim. It's a summer theme. After the workout, since I didn't want heavy food, I prepared light dinner with yogurt and salad and ate it on the balcony in the cool air. Well, at least he got some protein through yogurt after the workout. Let's translate. Məşqdən sonra, after the workout, məşq, workout, practice. It can be any practice, by the way, because technically it means practice. But in this case, we use it in workout. Ağır yemək istəmədiyimə görə, since I didn't want heavy food. Qatıq və salatdan ibarət, a light dinner, let's skip that because we haven't said it. With yogurt and salad, that's the part. Yüngül akşam yeməyi hazırlayıb. See, the word ibarət, qatıq və salatdan ibarət yüngül akşam yeməyi means a light dinner that consists of ibarət, that's what it means. Yogurt and salad. Balkonda sərin havada yedim. And I ate it on the balcony in the cool air. Balkonda, in the balcony, on the balcony. Sərin havada, in the cool air. Yedim, I ate. Okay? Now, that was the word akşam yeməyi, where we used a couple of phrases and sentences. Let's see how else we can use it. I call it meal prep when leftovers accidentally become akşam yeməyi all the time. I can sign this. Now, if you're interested in learning Master Azerbaijani, guess what? There's Master Azerbaijani app available.